Hello friends, if you need to find out if your Parkside Performance smart batteries are actually with Bluetooth on, I will show a very simple way to check this. Just use the Tuya Smart app. You can download it from Google Play Store. Open it, then press plus and then add device, and there will be shown the batteries with Bluetooth on in just a second. Here it is. We have two smart batteries with Bluetooth on, and we can add them in the Tuya Smart app actually. But how to turn off the Bluetooth of these devices? Firstly, we should press once and then long press until we have the orange light or yellow light. Here it is. This battery is now with Bluetooth off, and I will do this with this battery too. Once and then long press until the orange light turns off. Here it is. Those batteries are with Bluetooth off now, and I will check this again with the Tuya Smart app. I will press plus and then add device, and here it is, nothing. So these batteries will last longer because the Bluetooth is off until we need to use it. Thanks for watching, give it a like and see you again, friends.